let me talk about auto parts for less. What I'd like to do now is invite onto the stage the CEO and founder of Commerce Pundit. Commerce Pundit is our technology partner, and the CEO is Hiren Modi. So, Hiren, are you there? Is Hiren? Can we bring Hiren? There you.
Yes. Hi.
Hey,
Hi,
Hiren, how are
Chris.
you? It's wonderful. Great to see you.
Nice to see you on Sunday.
Yes. How are you, sir?
Doing great. Very excited.
Well, thank you for dropping in here. I had a couple of photos I want to share with you. Let me share my screen,
Sure.
and this will be kind of fun. In November of 2020, which was peak US COVID, I flew up to San Francisco, and I walked up to the Indian consulate's office and I knocked on the door and I said, "Hey, I want to fly to India, and I've got a huge project, and India is locked. They won't let me in, and I have nothing better to do at this time in this world than go to India and build my marketplace." So, long story short, I was issued an emergency work visa, and in November of 2020, I think it was around November 12th, I flew to India, about 8,400 miles. And I got to India and I went to work on this project, the Auto Parts for Less project. The reason why this relationship is so critical and why I really appreciate Hiren and what he's done for my organization is it gives us access to world-class employees, all languages. So as we transform, as we change, and we want to add more technology, whether it's, artificial intelligence. He has an amazing family. Hiren's very modest, but he's a wonderful human being, and I'm blessed to call him a friend and also a business partner. But so the beauty of this relationship is that Commerce Pundit has the ability to scale up and add more and more resources to enhance the Auto Parts for Less marketplace. There's really nothing they can't do, from security, cloud, front end, back end, any kind of languages. They have an incredible facility. So when we flew in COVID, they were in their old rundown building, I guess we'll call it. It was nice. It was professional. But Hiren went out during this, and actually when we were there, he took me over to where they were building an incredible technology center. And that's what they have today. So this is in Ahmedabad, India. If for those that know a little bit of India, this is where Gandhi was born, right? Or is ashram? Anyway,
Yeah.
hope I don't mess it up. And this is the front doors into their brand new complex. And I believe it's 4 or 5 stories. We got offices, technology, redundant systems, security. This is the play area where the employees could unwind after coding nonstop. This is the cafeteria area. I know Hiren is very proud of
video, Chris.
Let's see. So when we developed the project, hopefully you can see my screen. So this is Pooja, and me and Pooja, along with all of the participants, we sat and we built 92 pages of UX. So this was really the roadmap of Auto Parts for Less. And I would come in every day, sit down with the team, and we would talk about, what I wanted to see, how the entire experience would work. When someone showed up, how they registered, how they checked out, the entire process. India is pretty traditional, and the reason why I really got very fortunate is that Pooja is the head of her family when it comes to shopping. And so she's a shopper. She's very good at shopping. And so if I would have had a male kind of UX lead, I don't know if the project would have been as successful as it is today, because she really knew what we just were in step through this entire project, because she was the shopper. In fact, sometimes the men would make recommendations and I'd say, "Well, Pooja, what do you think of these recommendations?" And I knew what her answer would be, because she's like, "Yeah, people just don't shop like that." And I go,
Do you remember any couple of places, Chris?
in terms of
Visiting, where you
yes, I
at
do.
the time you were there?
So I was there in the middle of Christmas, and the team was wonderful because they wanted me to feel at home. So they took me on a day trip. Here's Pooja. Here's Haren. You can see he's got perfect form. I
Wow.
don't I don't think Haren had golfed much, but believe it or not, there's this wonderful golf course just outside of Ahmedabad, and we spent the day there. And it was wonderful, and that was a lot of fun. So, yes. So with that, please, Haren, I've rambled on long enough. Tell us. I'll let you talk about your company and the, about our relationship with Auto Parts for Less and how you played such a key role. So.
Thank you, Chris. Thanks for a great introduction about how you flew down to India and you have started and you came to Ahmedabad and your entire journey. Uh, the one thing is, I would say, Chris, very important thing, we deliver or we successfully doing this project with Chris from last around 4 years. He flew down to India at the time of COVID. Literally, he has worked with our team day and night and working on the scope, working on the layouts and prototypes, and on each and every moment. Chris was helping us on anything we need, we request, or anything on terms of business understanding, his vision about auto parts for less, about large marketplace he wanted to built, and right now it is, I would say, dream came to into reality. So about Commerce Pandit, we are full service digital agency, and we are end to end technology and marketing company where we provide anything and everything in e-commerce world and technology related solutions. Uh, so we have delivered very large scale of projects and large size of e-commerce project marketplaces in terms of uh, technology and platform. If I can talk about, we are Magento solution partner, we are Shopify partner, we are Google premium partner, and um, Amazon partner. So we do a lot of e-commerce related projects. We have rolled out many custom technology related e-commerce related projects in all related to technology, which it comes to the e-commerce things. And so this was about Commerce Pandit. We have worked with many large size client like Casio, Chemex coffee maker in United States, Casio, Chemex coffee maker, Rockstar passes. There are a lot of print and sign projects, which is Banner Bus, Canvas Champ, and there are big size. We are doing a lot of automobile and solutions after we did this uh, auto parts for less with help of Greece and in surrounding of automotive industry. So this is about Commerce Pandit, and so Chris has started this project. He flew to India. We met in 4 years back in 2020 COVID time, and our first meeting. Uh, Chris's question was, Hiren and team, can you deliver this? Because we want to build and we want to build large size of marketplace where there will be millions of products, not just couple of thousand products, and this would be a completely disruptive we are going to do in automotive industry. So being a technology company, I told yes, why not? And we can definitely deliver this. But uh, we during this development, so we very let me tell you very honestly, we never did this size of large project um, in our history or Commerce Pandit. We haven't done this kind of large scale, like loading millions of products, making scalability architecture, making performance and large scale architecture. A lot of security features we have taken care. Um, Different technology expertise. So we have done projects where it's enterprise
And I'm
level.
sorry to interrupt. Are you saying you've never built an Amazon of auto parts before?
We
That's
have
what you
never
built.
done that before
That's what
auto
you built.
parts. Yeah. So this was the first marketplace we delivered with Chris, and that is a vision of Chris, and it was delivered of entire vision how he wanted to look at how marketplace, automotive industry and marketplace would be. So in terms of technology, if I would say, there are, we have built right now, if we can see, there are over millions of products, around 8-10 millions products in this platform. And technical architecture we have built, it's a robust .NET backend and scalable microservices architecture and responsive React front end, which ensures a seamless single page application experience. So that is the strong technical architecture we have built for marketplace, like huge, massive product, a lot of transactions, lot of uploads, lot of transactions and processes happens in this platform. So it's a strong technical architecture we have built. If I can talk about the Chris performance of performance and scalability, uh, the website, the especially in this kind of large scale marketplace, the page loading time is very important. And that was the lot of discussions with Chris and our internal team, Chris's team, and we want page should be load as fast as we can. So the architecture which we have built, it can the based performance and scalable, where website can load, all the pages can load very fast. And that is the scalable architecture we have designed, and it's supported by the cloud technologies like AWS. If I can talk about, Chris, the security features, and everyone, uh, we have done advanced security measurement in this marketplace, where it used the industry standard and industry leading practices, where all the protocols of the secure socket we follow, where it cannot the very minimal, or it can scale, it can highly secure platform. That is what I would say, where it comes to the user data and the user transactions. That is where strong security measurement we have taken care. Uh,
Thank you, Haran.
yeah.
Couple items.
Yes.
How is the new location doing? So what a lot of people may or may not realize is that just like America, India faces labor challenges. Right now, everybody is, COVID really changed. Auto parts were never sold online. That changed. It went from a single digit online purchase to double digits. And so now what the challenge for any organization globally is quality employees, right? That's always
Yeah.
a challenge. So Haren recognized that that was going to happen, and so what you don't see in this conversation is the culture of Commerce Punit, and that's really the crux of why he's able to attract and retain employees at his facility. I've got a quick video here. I want to play this video because it kind of shows a little bit of that the culture you've created, Haren, at your
Yes.
company, and then I'm gonna let you get out of here. But let me share my screen real quick. Let's see. Okay, let's see. This is this. Let's.
Chris, it is not visible.
Okay. Not visible. Let me see. Well, I apologize. Technical glitch. So, but Haren, I wanted to thank you. Can I share your email with anybody here that might be needing some
Yes.
your services? Let me put this across the screen. I hope I spelled that correctly. But thank you so much, Haren, for all you've done for our organization. I really hope our investors understand the team and the organization that one, created our platform, but two, stands behind the platform as we grow. And we want to add new features like pick up curbside, or maybe want to do like a membership program like Amazon has Prime. We could roll out a program for members where they get access to roadside service, they get discounted sell items and so on. There's really nothing that Commerce Punt is not able to execute for us. And I feel like I'm in incredible hands. So thank you so much, Haren. Appreciate you dropping in here today. And you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday.
Thank you. Thank you, please. Nice meeting you. Nice talking. Yeah, thanks.
Bye-bye.